Also in Arizona tonight, a group of illegal aliens suing an Arizona rancher for millions of dollars. Those illegal immigrants claim the rancher violated their civil rights when he apprehended them at gunpoint on his property. Casey Wyan has the story from Tucson, Arizona.
The federal courthouse in Tucson, Arizona is the site of a showdown between two extremes in the debate over illegal immigration and border security. Rancher Roger Barnett is being sued by a group of illegal aliens he held at gunpoint on his property near the Mexican border in 2004. Barnett claims he has helped the Border Patrol apprehend more than 12,000 illegal border crossers during the past decade. He says they have severely damaged his 22,000-acre property by leaving trash, cutting fences, and destroying water tanks. The civil suit plaintiffs claim Barnett threatened to shoot anyone who fled. They're seeking millions of dollars in damages for civil rights violations, assault, false imprisonment, and intentional infliction of emotional distress.
Everybody still has the same equal protection under the law. No one should be held at gunpoint and threatened with their dog, or also kicked for just being on their property illegally or unlawfully.
MALDEF, the Mexican-American Legal Defense and Education Fund, is financing the lawsuit. The Federation for American Immigration Reform is backing Barnett. Both sides have agreed in court not to discuss the case with reporters, but not this longtime border resident who's supporting Barnett.
Barnett, as far as I'm concerned, has done any and everything he can to, at least he's put in a water system for them and put in spigots for them, so they do not destroy his holding tanks and things. But yet they turn around and they destroy that. I mean, what is a person to do? Do we have any rights in the United States anymore to protect our own livelihoods?
Barnett's wife and brother and 10 of the 16 illegal aliens who sued them have been dropped from the lawsuit. Previously, Barnett was ordered to pay $100,000 to a Mexican-American family he confronted while they were hunting on his property. Closing arguments in this case were presented this afternoon, and the case is now in the hands of the jury. In those closing arguments, Barnett's attorneys say he was simply trying to protect his property from people he believed could have been armed drug or alien smugglers. Lawyers for the plaintiffs say Mr. Barnett simply went overboard. Lou.
All right. The gentleman summing it up. What rights do American citizens have to protect their property in a very serious issue, obviously, particularly on the border with Mexico. Thank you very much, Casey. Casey, any idea of when we're going to get a decision?
Well, we don't know when we're going to get a decision. It's going to go to the jury tomorrow, but you mentioned the rights that property owners have. Here in Arizona, property owners are allowed to use the threat of deadly force to protect their property. So that's something that is at issue here, Lou.
All right. Casey, thank you very much. Casey Wyan.